Hello, hi, this is Kelly. I want to continue talk about I Ching. We've been talking about for a while now. To this level, it's supposed to be going to median and upper, the step up a little bit, the step up level median. Okay, so supposedly you guys already know all five elements and 8 pillars, and what a symbol was represent which element. Okay, and let's just review a little bit. 乾退离正巽坎寅坤 8 pillars. 乾 is metal, 退 is metal. Okay, and they have their draw. Okay, show you. Qian, Tui. This number 2. Also, they have represent number. Okay, Li is fire. Okay, the middle broken. Number 3. Remember the number. Okay, 4. Zhen, thunder. Okay, two breaking line in the top. Okay, there's 4 pillars. 5th pillars, Tui. Okay, and 1 broken line under. Okay, it's wood. Okay, 4 and 5 is wood. Okay, and 6 kan is water. Okay, kan, and last kan in earth. Okay, 7 and 8 earth. Kun is pure in. Okay, also earth. Number 8. Alright, those have to memorize now, and I'm going to continue. Okay, if not memorize, it's going to be hard. Remember the 5 elements. East is wood, west is metal, north is water, south is fire. Okay, and actually I went to travel Taiwan, and I just came back, and I got another book here from Taiwan. It's called 梅花心意入门, and 梅花 is the flower. I was talking about Song Dynasty. There's the guy called Sao Kang Jie, and Sao Kang Jie has make the I Ching to higher development and make it easier, because when I Ching has starting with 1D time, and they have like 64, and each one have their explanation, and was very deep, and if you want to understand, it's very hard and very hard study in the 64. So the Sao Kang Jie simplifies, and simplifies, we all will bypass all what they mean, and we will just use the 5 elements. Just read this 5 elements in each 8 pillars, and then we will detect or see what the situation goes by the I Ching we draw. Okay, all those symbols we draw. That was the review. I talked those before already. Okay, and 5 elements has who is against who is helping who. Okay, like 金木水火土, metal, wood, water, fire, earth. Okay, that's 5. And metal cut wood, so metal against wood. Wood, if you the plant woods on the earth get loose, so earth wood against earth. And when earth against water, because when you put the water in the land, and the water will dry out. Okay, and the water against fire. So if you put the water over the fire, fire will distinguish. Okay, and they have the helping also. Fire against metal. Okay, so you threw the metal into the fire, and the metal will melt. Alright, and also we have 5 elements helping direction. 金生水, metal helping water. Alright, because when metal this is the way metal helping water, water helping wood. Okay, water nourish wood, wood helping fire, wood helping fire, fire will helping earth, because fire will nourish the earth. Okay, that is a review. We know this is what a train is. Okay, and with this new book, I want to just give it now we have to remember those 8 pillars, and we have to remember all those 8 pillars, what they represent. Okay, for example, okay, ching, which is the first one, metal is sky. Okay, have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, also 8 has a gram into this palace. Okay, and for the nature is sky, ice. Okay, snow. Okay, you see those snow, like heavy snow. Okay, like almost like a stone that was belong to this one. And in the land, it belong to west north direction. Okay, it's like high position. Okay. And with people, it was like maybe president, oldest people in the family, okay, and officer. And for the things is, strong, okay, moving sky, and moving around, always moving. Okay, so it's not for quiet, it's moving. Body. And so you're looking head and bone and lung, okay? Because lung belong to metal, okay? Remember, head, bone, lung. Time is autumn. Metal belong to autumn, so we have to remember that, okay? Autumn. Then animal, horse, lion, and the big one, okay? Elephant. And with things is jewel. Jewel is like the gold. Okay. And the house is the house belong to like skyscraper. Also belong to west north position house. And home. Okay. If you build a house and you see ching, this is a trigram, and you know this is metal, okay, and you see is if you build at autumn, that's good. All right, you build at summertime, summer against autumn, fire against metal, right? So it seems not looking good. Winter, and look like no much gas will go into the your house. Okay, in the springtime is lucky. All right, and with the food is meat. Okay, spice. Okay, for the position. It's not a weak position, okay? It's something like army, stuff like that. But this is just there's a lot to talk about. That I will in one video I will make all those 8 pillars what they belong to. Okay, today because I just as this example I want to tell you another things. Okay, and when we draw the I Ching, we have to look at the situation, what happened around us. Okay, when the timing, what happened around us. For example, now, okay, if there rains, okay, or there fire, or this is summertime or winter time, or we hear maybe chicken talk, okay, like some chicken words, or we see the cat, or we see the dog, or we see the birds. Okay, and during the time we were asking, what happened. And those things is what happened. We want to consider it against the time. Okay, and the time is the year, the month, the day, and the timing. Alright, and this was involved 5 elements also, and I have talked in my earlier video tape. Just look back, okay, look back the video tape, the which timing and like the calendar like what happened. Alright, and so for example today, and we draw the 2 hexagram, and we make it a 1 hexagram. Okay, let's say the first one, 乾为天, just for example. Okay, 乾为天. So we separate them 2, right? One is metal. This is the metal. Okay, metal. And next one is metal also. Okay, so we have the pure metal here, and this is what happens situation now. Okay, then we combine this 3. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First Veoh, second Veoh, third Veoh, fourth Veoh, fifth Veoh, sixth Veoh, and we move the second Veoh down here. Okay, we disregard the first Veoh. So 1, 2, 3. So we make this 1, we make this 2, make this 3, and make this 4, 5. Okay, so then the upper one we take a 3. Okay, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so upper one we make 3, 4, 5. So because they all young, so we comes back the same situation. Okay, metal and metal. Okay, that's what is during the process. Okay, then the main one, we want to know which Veoh is the changing Veoh. Remember, the E is the change. Okay, so original Veoh we need to know which change. Okay, in the 梅花艺术 we use the time. Okay, we got the number, and whenever the time right now. Okay, or whenever the situation we see right now, we got a number and put it in. For example, the number 3 Veoh is changed, so we changing the yang to yin. Okay, so the result will be. Okay, so this is result Veoh. Okay, you see that? And this one is let's see, 退上缺. So this is 前退离正 number 2. Okay, so this one also metal. Alright, number 2. Okay, and so we got metal to the beginning, the end is metal. That's mean no problem, success. Okay, if you come back, this one is, let's say, wood, and metal called wood. So things was success, but are going to be hard. Okay, delay, and we want to see what happened here also. Okay, what happened here also? How is the process? If we see fire to the end, this one's fire. Okay, fire burn metal. Alright, because the lower one is always ourself. This one is called T, body trigram. If we see the fire against metal body trigram, the things will, the end, no matter what happened in between to the end, will not help. Okay, that's what is. And when we go on this make this way, things gets easier to see what is a situation, and easy to see. Okay, the situation. Then if you see fire, okay, you will see situation is during the fire, maybe summertime, you know, the people who has a name, has a fire, or the person or the things, and it's a fire against the metal, and then we'll see what they belong to, you know, what they belong to. Okay, and maybe the people who very thin, because the fire is the people who are very thin, right? And we see how that against that what happened. Okay, and this is just general talking about. Okay, so because I want to talk more something else, so this one before I talk to, but I will detail explain eventually. But I just want to tell you something about how we will going to draw the hexagram. We have to remember we do not draw the hexagram all day long, because only once a day is a maximum. Okay, it is maximum. Also, we have to remember it's okay if you see things change. If you see no change, you prefer not to do anything to draw the hexagram, because I Ching was basically on things change. If you have nothing change, or you see nothing strange, you don't want to draw any hexagram. Or if things happen to you, it's change, so you would do it. Okay, they also have the rule here. Also the color, we have to remember the color also. 5 elements which color belong to. Okay, sometimes we use the Chinese words, and that what I have teach you how to see the Chinese words. For example, if we see 3 women, okay, 3 women. Okay, woman, and draw like this. Okay, but if you see 3 women and you draw this way, that's called jian. That means affair. Okay, so if during the time you see the 3 women, when you draw and 3 women pass by you, you know the things that has jian. That means maybe affair. Alright, and fun is a 3 fire. Okay. Fun. Okay. Fun is not like this. Wood. Oh, this is a wood. You know, wood is like a tree. You know, each one is like, you know, you can see the like a tree. Okay. Then if you see 2 wood on top and you see the fire under, then you know this is fun. Fun is mean burn. Okay, burning. Alright, and that's how people, you know, use the words, and we explain how the situation is. We have to see the situation when people come in. They write the words. They write like this, fun. Right, and they want to know what happened, and we are changing 2 words. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 on top. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 on under. So number A is kun. Okay, then the lower one. Number 4, 前退离正. Okay, 正 is a thunder, wood on the bottom. Okay, 正养鱼, which is like this. Okay, so we have a hexagram now. Okay, just by what they draw, write their words. In English, I suppose you can also, like if they say Jen Ling. Okay, so you can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so first one is 6, and lin will be L-I-N, and this 1, 2, 3, so 3 on the bottom. Okay, it was just this, and then we start, then we have a hexagram. Okay, we have hexagram. Also, we see the direction. If he coming from west north, which we know this chain, so it's a young female from maybe teenagers. Let's say teenage girl, direction from east west. Okay, so teenagers is 退. Okay, 退, 前退, that's metal. The second one, 退养鱼, so it's like one broken on top. Okay, we'll put it on top. And because he come from west north, which is 前, so we put 3 on the lower. Okay, so we have hexagram. Alright, when we have the base hexagram, it was just the situation, what happened now, and we want to get the changing Veoh. Okay, changing Veoh, we can use maybe the number. Okay, like today is the 2008. Let's say November 1st. Okay, so we add all the number, right? And 2008, this year is 子, is mouse year. 子 is number 1. Okay, remember 子丑寅卯辰巳午未申酉戌亥. This 12. Okay, so this year is 子, next year is 丑. Mouse 子 is November, is number 1. Okay, that's what I talked about my previous video tape also, so please look at that. Okay, so it's 1 plus, okay, November is how much? 11. Okay, 11. 1 plus 1, alright? And so now it's 9 o'clock. Okay, which 9 o'clock is 子丑寅卯辰. Okay, 9:07. 9:07. Okay, it's just past 9. Okay, before 9 is 寅卯. Okay, 子丑寅卯. Mao is number 4. Okay, but it just past 9. 9:08. So it's 10. So it's number 9. Okay, we add it all up. Add it all up. Divide 6. Divide 6. Okay, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we're coming back. Okay, so divide 6, let's see 4. Okay, so number 4 Veoh is change. So we got changing Veoh. When we have a changing Veoh, we have the new hexagram, and that hexagram will be the result. Okay, and that's appears very simple. You have just memorize those numbers, like 12 earth symbol. 12 earth symbol. 子丑寅卯辰巳午未申酉戌亥 represent 12 animal, 12 months, also 12 number, 12 hour. Okay, so in Chinese, 2 hour we call 1 hour, 时辰. Okay, so from 1 to 3 in the midnight, starting from 1 to 3 at the midnight is 子. Okay, it's a mouse. Okay, mouse like to come out at the night, right? So it's represent north water at night. Okay, so we adding up the 12 earth symbol. Okay, so we combination everything, and we got the earth Veoh, and that's the one we'll changing Veoh. Okay, and changing Veoh is very important. Okay, if we just have a hexagram, that's just show situation, what happened now, but we want to know which Veoh is changed. So we have another hexagram, and another hexagram will be the result. Then in between we call Hu Veoh. Hu Veoh, we use the second Veoh, third Veoh, fourth Veoh to put in the bottom. Okay, then use the third Veoh, fourth Veoh, and fifth Veoh put on the top. And we got another hexagram in between. That's the process. How does the process goes? Alright, so to the end. Okay, and basically we don't want to do any Veoh if we don't see any situation. If we see a situation happening, like if you see this morning the mouse runs through your house, usually you don't see the mouse, but you see the mouse today, and you can use the time to draw histogram also. Or you can, if you see the dead mouse in front of you, right in front of you is north, right? Then it's kan. Then mouse is also water. So you can draw the histogram just by the situation like that. You also can use the time. Okay, the time is year, month, day. Plus together is upper trigram. Okay, year, month, day, time. Okay, remember this time, add time. Okay, and put it in the lower trigram. Alright, so then you got a histogram. And that was also original histogram. Alright, original histogram. Year, time. Okay. Then the time alone, I think, is for the changing yao. I would probably this time I try to talk so much together to get together, but eventually I do detail. Okay, detail explain how to set up the trigram and histogram. But you can look at my original video tape. I have talked about it a lot also. Okay, we can try to practice what the weather is. When you do weather, okay, then you got the original histogram. Then you got process histogram, and you got the end histogram, and that's detect the day. In the morning, if you see thunder or water, it's wet, right? And in the noontime, in process you see fire. You see the sun is coming out. To the end of the day, and if you see also fire, have one night. Okay, and we can also do in the whole week. Then we practice until we have everything right. We have to practice on that. All right. Okay. Thanks.